Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and in this one we're gonna be starting a little series where I try to turn $10,000 into $20,000. Now I've seen a lot of videos like these. The one that I can think of right now is by Hezza's, where he tries to turn $100,000 into $1 million. Now I'm not there quite yet. I don't have that type of money, but we do have $10,000 in this account. And again, we're gonna try to double that money. Now the platform that we're going to be using is Webull, just because it allows for us to trade pre-market and then after-market hours. So I think that's a really important thing. If you guys don't have Webull yet, go to the description, and then you have the possibility of getting 3 free stocks valued from $1 all the way to $1,400 if you deposit $100. So basically free money. Now I'm not going to be getting into penny stocks just because I've been burned with penny stocks so many times. So in this channel, in this series, we're going to be focusing on relatively safe companies that are big, good financials, and steady historicals. Alright, so the account is currently worth $13,244. Again, I started this account with $10,000 exactly 4 weeks ago. Now, let me show you guys everything. Let me show you guys the performance, how I've been doing, and all of that. You guys can see that after I deposited that $10,000, I started losing a little bit of money. You know, that's when I was investing in like companies that I didn't really know of. So, you know, I figured that I needed to change my strategy. After I invested into relatively safe companies, after I looked at the graphs, and then after I looked at the financials, I started doing pretty good. You guys can see that I started to go up, and then obviously there's gonna be pullbacks. That's just part of what's gonna happen. So pullback, and then it goes up again, another pullback, it goes up again, another pullback, and then it goes up again. Now let me just show you the trades that I've been doing, just so I can show you and give you a little bit more of an idea of what kind of companies I like to invest in. So I'm gonna put a screenshot right here. But as you guys can see, the bigger the earnings, the more confident I was with that stock, meaning more profit. So for example, you know, CCL, that was my first big trade. In that trade, I put $5,000, which at the time, it was 50% of my account. And I was really confident that it was gonna go up. Why? Because I looked at the graphs, I looked at the historicals, and it just made sense for me. So in that one, I made $738 in profit. I sold that stock just a few days later. And then after that, actually the day I sold was the day that Tesla announced the 4-to-1 split. And that was after hours. So that's the reason it's really important to be in a platform that allows after hour trading, such as Webull. Now, after they announced this, I sold all of my CCL stocks for $738 profits, and I put everything into Tesla. And then I also bought another Tesla stock in my other account. So in total, I had 5 Tesla shares. And then after I sold Tesla for $994 profits, I put some of that money, half of that to be exact, into TDOC. Now the reason for that investment was because I looked at the graph, I looked at the historicals, and I saw that it was a relatively safe company. I saw that there was a huge pullback even though the earnings were really good. So I decided to invest. And guess what? It went up. Now, as I'm recording this video, TDOC is down again. So I might be considering getting into another position in that stock. But for now, it's in my watch list, so maybe. And then I also had other smaller gains, which include IDEX, where I made $109, or EMAN, where I made $87.30 in a quick little swing trade. Now, with gains in the stock market, there also comes losses. So just be aware of that. Invest at your own risk, do your own due diligence, make sure you do your research, formulate a thesis, and stick to that thesis. So let me show you guys my losses. Now, for me, my biggest loss so far was actually this morning, and it was a stock called TCDA, where I lost $549. Now, I could have held, but guess what? If I would have held, I would have been down more. What did I do after? Well, I put all of that money into LCA because it is a really safe option, in my opinion. I think this stock has so much potential, and it is my main holding right now. In fact, I have 800 shares of LCA at an average cost of $13.09. Basically, it's all of my account. Now, for the next stock that I'm investing in, honestly, I don't know yet. I have to do some research. I have to look at some graphs, and I have to look at everything. So I need to do my research, and I guess I'll update you guys in the next one. Or if you guys want, you guys can join my Discord group where I show you guys exactly the time I buy, exactly the time I sell a stock, how much I put in, and all of that juicy information. So if you guys want to join, it's going to be in the link, first link in the description, so you guys can join that if you want. But to conclude the video, we have turned $10,000 into $13,000, $161 at the time of this recording. But with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and see you guys in the next upload. Peace out.
I just bought a new whip, spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la da da da.